Do you want to speak English easily and naturally? The secret is simple: you must think in English. But how can you do this? Stay with us until the end, and we'll teach you the best ways to train your brain to think in English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This helps us create more useful lessons for you. Why thinking in English matters. Thinking in English is not something that happens overnight. It takes time and practice. Many learners translate from their native language to English in their minds, which slows them down. But when you start thinking directly in English, your speaking becomes faster and more natural. Here, we'll explore effective techniques to help you develop this powerful skill. 1. Start with simple words and phrases. Begin by using simple English words in your mind. For example, when you see a tree, say tree instead of thinking of the word in your native language. If you're drinking coffee, say, I'm drinking coffee. This habit trains your brain to think in English naturally. Try this with everyday objects. You can even label items in your house. Door on your door. Mirror on your mirror. Window on your window. Every time you see these labels, your brain recalls the English words, creating an English environment at home. To boost this exercise, say the words out loud. For example, when you open the fridge, say fridge. When you take an apple, say apple. Speaking and thinking in English together will help the language feel more natural. 2. Play quick memory games. Try this fun memory trick. Walk into a room and name 5 things you see in English. Then, leave the room and try to recall all 5. This sharpens your ability to think and recall English quickly. 3. Describe what you see and do. Wherever you go, describe things in English. In the park. Think, the grass is green. The sun is bright. People are walking. In the kitchen? Think, I am cutting vegetables. I am boiling water. Add more detail to make it richer. Instead of, the car is red. Say, the small red car is parked near the big white building. The more details you include, the more fluent your thinking becomes. 4. Make it a daily habit. While walking or commuting, name what you see in English. The tall tree has green leaves and small red flowers. This daily habit will improve your vocabulary and confidence. To challenge yourself, describe what other people are doing. The man in the blue shirt is jogging slowly while listening to music. This helps you practice full English sentences in your mind. 5. Talk to yourself in English. You don't need a partner, just talk to yourself. When you wake up, I'm getting out of bed. When you eat, this food tastes good. Ask yourself questions and answer them. What is my plan for today? I will go to work, then meet my friend tonight. What did I do today? I watched a movie and studied English. This helps you think in full English sentences without translating. 6. Record yourself speaking. Pick a topic and speak in English for 1 minute. Then, listen to the recording. Focus on improving sentence structure, pronunciation, fluency. Repeat this regularly, and you'll become more confident in your spoken English. 7. Think in English while reading or listening. When reading or listening to English, don't translate. Try to understand from context. For example, the dog is barking. Imagine the sound of a barking dog. The girl is shivering because it is very cold. Guess that shivering means shaking from cold. This reduces translation and helps you think in English naturally and intuitively. 8. Summarize what you read or hear. After reading a short story or watching a video, ask yourself, what happened? Answer in English. This helps your brain process thoughts directly in English. 9. Use English when making decisions. Even small decisions can train your brain. Choosing tea or coffee. Think, I want tea because it is warm and relaxing. In a store. Think, should I buy the red shirt or the blue one? Write down the reasons in English. I chose the red shirt because it looks better on me. This strengthens your ability to think clearly and express yourself in English. 10. Make English a habit. Thinking in English should become a part of your daily life. At first, it might be difficult, but with practice, it becomes natural. Even just a few minutes a day helps train your brain. Set reminders throughout the day. Place a sticky note on your desk that says, Think in English. Every time you see it, switch your thoughts to English, even if just for 1 minute. Keep an English thinking journal. Every night, write down 3 things you thought about in English. This keeps you motivated and helps track your progress. Now it's your turn. Try these techniques and start thinking in English today. Do you already think in English sometimes? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are learning English. See you in the next lesson. Remember, we upload new educational videos and stories every day to make your learning fun and engaging. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us on this exciting journey toward mastering English. See you tomorrow.